Hello friends, welcome to Tech. This is Samsung Galaxy A80 smartphone. In this video, we learn how you can do hard reset or factory reset in your phone Samsung Galaxy A80. First of all, you need to switch off your phone. This is power button. Just long press this power button. And now touch on power off. Again, touch on power off. Wait few seconds. Now you have to use power button and volume up button together. Power button is on right side, volume up button is on left side. Just press them together for a few seconds. You have to press these two buttons simultaneously. Just wait few seconds and release the buttons and hard reset menu has come. Here you have to select wipe data of factory reset option. For selecting, use volume keys. For moving down, just press volume down key. For confirming, use power key. Here you have to select fifth option, wipe data factory reset. Wipe data factory reset. Yes. Now press power button to confirm. Just press power button. Now you have to here select yes option. Second option, use volume down key again. And now use power key to confirm. Wait few seconds. Wipe data has been done successfully. Now you have to restart your phone. So you have to select the first option, reboot system now. Just press power button to confirm. Yes. Now your phone be restarted. You have to wait. You have to wait from few seconds to few minutes. It will take longer time depending upon how much data you had in your phone. Yes. Now interface has come. You have to set your phone like a fresh phone. Just follow the on-screen instructions. Skip wherever possible. Here also you can skip. Accept. Click not now. You can unselect all apps. Adding the finishing touches, just wait. Get recommended apps. Click skip. Skip. Click finish. Click done. Click finish. Yes, everything has been done successfully. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.